Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today I'm joined by Buddy the Bird, and we're going to be showing you how to check your work in Google Classroom. Let's get started. To begin, you'll open up Google Classroom and go to the art class. At the bottom, you're going to see the word classwork. Click on that. You're looking for an icon that's a square that looks like a little person inside. That's going to be up here at the top right corner. Click on that there. It's going to show you a list of the activities and the grades. We're focused on the digital art unit. You'll have digital art day 1 through 9. 9 is this activity here. You're going to go through and make sure you have an attachment for each activity and be sure to submit that. I do not take points off for it being late. What's important is that you're adding to your digital portfolio, so I'm not going to take points off for it being late. Let's take a close look. So down here at the bottom, I can see Digital Art Day 1 doesn't have an attachment, and you can see the grade reflects that. That little bitty icon right there, it looks like a paper clip, that's the attachment we want. When you go in here, you're going to open up the activity, click on that arrow, and add your attachment. Digital Art Day 1, you're going to pick a photo. That was a screenshot and any saved image. Here we go. So any saved image or screenshot works for Digital Art Day 1. Digital Art Day 2, let's resubmit this before I move on, was editing and altering an image. Digital Art Day 3 and 4 was a chance for us to be more creative and have a goal in mind when we're editing our images. Day 3 was a crosswalk art contest, and Day 4 was an inspirational poster contest. Day 5 and Day 6, we delved into the School Sketches app a bit more, where we tried to do a digital coloring sheet, and we also did a picture with symmetry on Day 6. Day 7 and Day 8, see, I can see that they're missing. And even though these were done late, you see it still gets 100. As long as you're adding to it, I'm fine if it's late. So Digital Art Day 7, that was a chance for us to duplicate our image. That was the 4 seasons. So I did an image with different seasons. So spring, summer, autumn, and fall, or and winter. There we go. So I need to be sure to add each image. Now, if you wanted to do day, night, evening, you could have done that as well. It was a little choice that you got. So definitely don't be afraid to add more images. If you liked an activity and you ended up going back and doing more, you can totally send me more pictures to add to your portfolio. Okay, so now that I have those in, let's turn that in. Digital Art Day 8 was a self-portrait. So that was when we took a picture of ourselves and added details to it. Here we go. And then Digital Art Day 9 is us checking our work. So if there's something that you're really proud of, maybe you know of an art app or a website that I haven't gone over and you wanted to show that off, definitely add that to Digital Art Day 9. Or if there is a specific activity that we did that you're really proud of, add that. I'm totally for it. If you really liked, like say I really liked my C Drive poster, or I liked my coloring sheet when I finally finished it because I took a long time to work on that, and on the coloring sheet day I turned in something that wasn't complete and then I added more to it and completed it later, you could totally turn it in on day 9 as well. It's kind of like a free choice day. We're going to have one more digital art activity. We will create an animated drawing, so a picture that looks like you're drawing it and is like an animation. So super exciting, something to look forward to. Till next time, class, keep being creative.